Now in this next iteration of the program, one of the things that we need to look at is how we enable and disable these actions. Now you'll notice in the code that you typically have an on-action statement as part of a menu or within a particular dialog statement such as input, construct, you might have an on-action as well. And that will automatically enable or disable an action based on whether or not it's available in that particular construct, or in that particular dialog. But when you're working with a menu or first presenting your screen, your menu is full of on-action statements. And what you might want to do is pick and choose which of your actions are available to the user when you first run the program. So the way that you do that is to use what's called a method, and we saw methods when talking about our combo boxes. But this class of methods from the dialog class allows us to do things such as setting actions to be active. So you can see here that we've put in a before menu statement, and before our menu is built, we're going to go ahead and set some of the actions to 0, meaning we're going to set them to be disabled. So in other words, grayed out, whether they are presented as buttons, toolbar buttons, top menus, it doesn't matter, that action will be disabled. That also means that the accelerator key for that action is also disabled while that menu option or action is not active. Then at the point in your program where you want to activate it, now in this particular example, we're turning off all of the options for the user until they've queried. Once they've found a customer or they've added a customer, we may give them some additional usage of those actions. So if we look down here, we can see that after the user has gotten an order, we're going through and we're setting the action active for each of our actions here to 1. In other words, once they've got the information, we can go ahead and enable these particular actions. So the dialog.setActionActive method is a very valuable method to know about.